high-converting piece of copy follows one proven framework. It's called the AIDA formula, and it's one of the most powerful copywriting models used by marketers around the world. Here's what AIDA stands for. A. Attention. Grab your audience's attention with a strong headline or an eye-catching hook. I. Interest. Keep them engaged by talking about a problem they relate to or a benefit they care about. D. Desire. Make them want your product or service by showing how it improves their life or solves their problem. Action. Finally, tell them exactly what to do next. For example, right finger buy now, right finger sign up today, right finger download free. Right finger book your spot. Remember this. Attention gets the click. Interest keeps people reading. Desire makes them want it. Action turns readers into customers. Master the AIDA formula, and you'll be able to write copy that captures attention, builds trust, and drives real results. Did you know that one simple sentence can make the difference between selling a 100 rupees product and a 10,000 rupees product? Same product, same price, but two completely different ways of saying it. Version number 1. This is a good water bottle. Version number 2. Keeps your drinks ice cold for 24 hours and hot for 12 hours. Perfect for work, travel, and everyday life. Which one would grab your attention? Exactly. That's the power of copywriting. In this video, I'm going to teach you copywriting from zero to hero, step by step. Whether you're a complete beginner, a freelancer, or someone who wants to earn money online, this course will help you understand how to write words that grab attention, build trust, and drive action. Let's get started. Rock it. Simple example. Imagine you're selling mangoes. Fresh mangoes for sale. Now compare that with this. Version number 2. Farm fresh, tree-ripened mangoes bursting with sweet, juicy flavor. Limited stock available. Order yours today. Both messages are selling the exact same product. But which one makes you want to buy? Most people would choose the second one because it creates a vivid picture, highlights the benefits, and adds a sense of urgency. That's the power of copywriting. Great copy doesn't just describe a product. It makes people imagine owning it, experiencing it, and taking action. Remember, people don't buy products, they buy the value, the experience, and the solution those products provide. One of the best things about copywriting is that it can become a valuable career skill. Once you learn copywriting, you can offer your services in many different ways. For example, Checkmark worked as a freelance copywriter and find clients online. Checkmark write advertisements for businesses to help them attract more customers. Checkmark create email marketing campaigns that increase sales and customer engagement. Checkmark write product descriptions for e-commerce stores that encourage people to buy. Checkmark build landing pages that turn visitors into leads or paying customers. The more you practice and gain real-world experience, the more valuable your skills become. As your expertise grows, so do your opportunities to earn. Remember, copywriting isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a high-value skill that can open the door to freelance work, business opportunities, and long-term career growth. The better you write, the more value you can create, and the more you can potentially earn. Today, AI tools like ChatGPT can make copywriting faster and easier than ever. They can help you generate ideas, improve headlines, rewrite content, and create high-converting marketing copy in minutes. But here's something most beginners don't realize. AI is only as good as the prompts you give it. If you want great results, you need to ask great questions. So here's the best approach. Think first. AI second. Start with your own ideas, understand your audience, and define your goal. Then use AI to refine your message, improve clarity, and make your copy even more persuasive. Remember, AI is a powerful assistant, not a replacement for your creativity. When you combine your ideas with AI's speed, you can create copy that grabs attention, builds trust, and drives results. Now let's talk about some of the biggest mistakes beginners make when writing copy. Mistake number 1. Writing too much. Long paragraphs can overwhelm your audience. Keep your message clear, concise, and easy to read. Mistake number 2. Using complicated words. You don't need fancy vocabulary to sell. The best copy is simple, conversational, and easy for anyone to understand. Mistake number 3. Focusing on features instead of benefits. Many beginners spend too much time talking about what a product has instead of explaining how it helps the customer. For example, feature: this laptop has a 12-hour battery life. Benefit: work, travel, or study all day without worrying about charging your laptop. Remember this golden rule: people don't buy features, they buy benefits. Customers care about how your product solves their problem, saves them time, or improves their life. When you focus on benefits instead of features, your copy becomes more persuasive and much. Congratulations, you've just learned the foundations of copywriting. But remember, learning is only the first step. The real progress comes from consistent practice. Here's a simple exercise. Pick an advertisement from any well-known brand and rewrite it in your own words. Try to make it more engaging, more persuasive, and more compelling. The more you practice, the stronger your copywriting skills will become. Every great copywriter started as a beginner, and improved by writing every single day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos on copywriting, freelancing, AI tools, and other valuable digital skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy writing!